Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Dollar General and we are about to get into this week's deals. We got some good stuff going on. These are going to be any day deals that you do not have to wait till Saturday to do, because in this video, we're going to utilize some 3 off of 15 coupons. So every month, at the beginning of the month, Dollar General does randomly issue 3 off of 15 coupons to various accounts. Not all accounts get them. These are exclusive, but a lot of our accounts are getting them more often. So if you did happen to get one, I want to give you some options on what you can do with that coupon. When Dollar General issues those coupons, they will send you an email generally, or you can just check the Just For You section of your app to see if you got one, or you can just scroll up your list of coupons and you may see one there, and that will give you an additional $3 in savings. If you don't have that coupon, no worries, you would just pay $3 more for these deals, but these deals are really good deals, so $3 more, it'll still be all right. So our first deal is going to be all digital coupons, no paper coupons, and then we're going to do a paper deal that is going to have a few paper coupons that are completely optional, of course. So if you're a digital couponer, we're going to get into your deal first. So the first thing I want to grab is some Lysol products. So we're going to grab these $2 lemon cleaners first. So these are $2 and we have 2 different 50-cent digital coupons. I am going to use one of those, making it only $1.50. Now we're going to grab a pack of the Lysol to-go wipes. So these are $1 and we have a 50-cent digital coupon. If your store does not carry these, you can also grab the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner that you can find in the $1 aisle as well as an alternate. Now we're going to grab one of these Downies that's $2.95, the Citrus and Vanilla Bliss. So we have that $2 digital coupon that works on these that makes them only 95 cents. Then we're going to grab one of these Tide Simply Oxy. So these are $2.95 as well. And then after our $2 digital coupon, this will be just 95 cents. Then we're going to grab one of these Febreze Unstoppables. So these are $4 and we have a $2 digital coupon. And then I am going to grab a Febreze item for $3. We have a $1 digital coupon, and I think I'm going to grab one of these small spaces. All right, you guys, so this is my all digital deal, and this can also be considered a $5 challenge because this should be under $5 if you have a 3 off of 15 coupon. The 3 off of 15 coupon is completely optional, so if you don't have that, no worries, you would just pay $3 more. But this is a great little bundle because it contains everything that you need to make it through the week. You got your smell goods, your laundry products, and your cleaning products all included for under $5. So for the digital coupons that we're going to use, we got a $2 coupon for the Febreze, $2 coupon for the Downy, we have a $1 coupon for this Febreze product, we have a $2 coupon for the Tide, and then 50-cent coupons for the Lysol. Those coupons combined with our 3 off of 15 are going to leave us to pay just $4.90 at the register. So the next 3 off of 15 deal we're going to do is on the Cottonelle, and it has been eons since we have done a paper deal at Dollar General, and since that time the deal that we are going to do has changed. So you know, our instant savings deal on our paper products used to be spend $15, save $3 instantly. Well, things have changed, and now this instant savings deal is spend 20, save 4. So we're gonna have to buy a total of 4 of these $5 paper products to meet that $20 threshold. So I am focusing in on the Cottonelle this week because we do have a $1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle, and we have $1 paper coupons for the Cottonelle as well. Combined with our 3 off of 15 coupon, if you have that, this turns into a really nice deal if you want to stock up on toilet paper. So I'm going to pick up 4 of these babies today. That's going to total up to $20. Then because of our instant savings promo, we are going to save $4 instantly, bringing it down to just $16. And then with our 3 off of 15 coupon, we are going to bring it down to $13. And then with our manufacturer coupons, that should bring it down to just $9 for 4 packs. We're going to use one digital coupon for 1 pack and then 3 of these $1 paper coupons for the other 3 packs. So that's going to make each pack just $2.25 a piece, which is more than 50% off. And if you don't have the 3 off of 15, you would pay $12 for all 4 packs, which I think is still a good deal. That would make each pack $3 each. I also have a 501 coupon, so that's a coupon where if you spend $5 or more, you get $5 off from the P&G deal that we did a couple weeks back, or maybe a week back. One or the other. I'll put it up on the screen from that P&G deal that I need to use. So I'm going to use it to get me some free P&G products while I'm here. I'm going to start off by getting these Bounty Essentials. So these are $4.95 on sale this week. I have a $1 digital coupon that is going to make it just $3.95. To get my total over $5, I'm also going to grab another one of these Febreze Unstoppables. So these are $4 once again. That $2 digital is going to make it $2. So these 2 products together will be $5.95. After my 501, I should pay just 95 cents for the paper towels and the Febreze. So now I'm going to go up and do these transactions, and then we will debrief afterwards to see how everything worked out. All right, you guys, so this is my complete Dollar General any day haul. Let me show you a close-up of these receipts. So here is the first receipt. There's our Downy, our Febreze, our Lysol, our Tide, our other Lysol, our other Febreze. Subtotal came up to $4.90, just like I anticipated. So that is a nice little all-digital deal that you can use to stock up on some household products. If you have that 3 off of 15, you can pay $4.90. Grab yourself some laundry items and some cleaning items and some Febreze. Then I did that Cottonelle deal with the 4 toilet papers. Let me show you a close-up of that. So here is our 4 Cottonelle. As you can see, the double store discount line. So we have 2 store discount lines. One is the $1 that we save for the instant savings. So we saved $1 for each pack for the instant savings. The other one is the 3 off of 15. And then we also used the $1 manufacturer coupons. That brought my subtotal down to $9 for all 4 packages. And then I also submitted back to Fetch Rewards, and I got back 40 cents from Fetch Rewards, 400 points. So it ended up making the total cost for all 4 packs only $8.60. And then my final deal was just using my 501 coupon. I grabbed that Bounty and another one of the Febreze sprays. So let me show you a close-up of that receipt. So there is the Febreze, there is the Bounty, that $1 digital for the Bounty, the $2 digital for the Febreze, and then my 501 coupon took off $5. That left my subtotal at just 95 cents for that transaction. So 95 cents with that 501, that was a beautiful situation. So that is all for my Dollar General trip for the midweek. I'm sure I will be back at Dollar General this weekend on Saturday. I hope these deals were helpful to you all. There are so many different things that you can do at Dollar General this week. If you do have paper coupons, also remember that the Dial is free. The Dial body wash is free. We have a buy one, get one free store coupon, and that buy one, get one free manufacturer paper coupon do combine together to make 2 bottles free. So that's another option that you can do as well. But I wanted to stay focused on the household products because I need to stock up on the paper. But I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you here, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye, you guys.